and I'm like this, like a fucking baby, like, and then I fucking, I'm about to fucking like, I feel like I'm about to vomit, right? So I get up and I'm about to throw up, and as I throw up, I sneeze. And all the fucking vomit comes through my fucking nose, and it's all over me, right? And I'm, dude, the worst feeling ever, dude. I had a piece of corn come out of my nose. I swear to God, dude, it was the most painful thing I've ever experienced. And I'm laying in the grass on my knees. I'm wearing like fucking black pants and a black polo.
In the domain.
Sun is beating down on me. I got families walking past me like, come on, don't worry about him. Just come on. Jeffrey, come here.